We're going to begin with the story of this mysterious and dangerous truck that randomly showed up on 20th of July on Jantar Mantar and Sansad Marg. The story of this truck starts on 16th of July. On Feroz Shah Road in Kasturba Gandhi Marg crossing, as you can see behind me, this truck met with an accident at 4 a.m. With a Maruti Eco. Immediately, there was an FIR that was lodged, and this truck was taken into police custody. From 16th of July till the 20th of July, this same truck, along with that Maruti Eco, was in police custody at the Parliamentary Street Police Station. Then suddenly, it reappears full of stones, full of projectiles at Sansad Marg and at Jantar Mantar, and eventually at the Indian Youth Congress office. Now, there were some young office bearers, young Youth Congress leaders, who then made videos of this truck when it showed up at the Youth Congress office. Again, if we go back to the 20th, the day it showed up on the protest site, there were lots of student activists and there were lots of student protesters who saw this truck, made videos of this truck, and immediately after the videos went viral, the police then stands up and claims that this truck was taken to Balswa and it was emptied out. Yet it showed up again on the Youth Congress office. Now this is the chronology of the trucks, और हम सब बहुत समझदार लोग हैं, हम chronology अब समझ ही गए होंगे. Now there are some questions that we must ask. The first question is, how is a truck that is loaded with stones, projectiles, how was it parked outside the Youth Congress office? It is an area where ordinary citizens were protesting. All of these protesters, there were barricades all across Lutyens, Delhi. Every police was checking the bags and checking cars of protesters walking into that area. So if there was so much police checking, if there was so much barricading, how does a truck reach Sansad Marg, which is only 100 meters from the parliament? The second question again is, what is the chain of command of this? The Delhi police does not operate in a vacuum. The Delhi police takes its commands from the Home Minister. Who signed off this moving vehicle? Who drove it? And under whose direct orders was this truck that was in police custody taken onto the streets for multiple days? And then finally, of course, the most important question is, how was there such a massive security hazard permitted? How have we permitted such a huge, massive security hazard only 100 meters away from the parliament? We're again talking about Lutyens, Delhi. It's a high security area. And who is responsible for it? Who is the person who left this truck full of stones unattended? What would have happened if this truck full of projectiles, full of stones, was taken under control by miscreants? And if violence had erupted, who would the blame then be shifted to? I also want to know, and we all also want to know, was this just deliberate carelessness, or is there something far more sinister? And these are questions that we leave with. Thank you so much.